Turkey's president urged peace and reconciliation in Sudan. Turkey ranks third halal tourist destination, reports. Israeli government minister supports enter Jerusalem Al-Aqsa. Syria, Assad regime attacks Idlib 6,422 times in March. US continuing support for terrorist YPG PKK in Syria. 11 attackers killed in Egypt's Sinai region, ministry. Hezbollah chief condemns US decision on Iran's RGC. Large amount of explosives seized at Turkey-Iran border. Libyan capital rocked by renewed clashes, witnesses. Libya's Tripoli government retakes Yarmouk camp. Retired general announces bid for Algerian presidency. Turkey's air chief hails Pakistan's effort for peace.